With economic and social progress, people have increasingly higher requirements for healthcare services. Though 840 million of 1.21 billion Indians live in villages, most of the Indian doctors do not. National Rural Health Mission in India aims to reconstruct the abandoned rural healthcare systems and make the success of Indian medicine more inclusive. The mission is an articulation of the commitment of the government to raise public spending on health from 0.9% of GDP to 2 to 3% of GDP. The focus is on how to build an efficient and reliable rural healthcare system. And like all other sectors, information and communication technology is the key. How to integrate IT with actual demands in healthcare system and make IT a real helper for rural medical workers is the challenge. Let us go back in time to seek the answer. In the early 90s, Missile Man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam gave a call to develop civilian spin-offs of defense technology. Dr. B. Somaraju rose to the occasion, and India's first coronary stent, known world over as the Kalam Raju stent, ushered India to become a global medical power and destination of choice for the international patients. 16 years later, the two legends meet again to mark the dawn of a new era in Indian healthcare, the technology demonstration of tablet computer for healthcare delivery in rural areas. Care Foundation, Care Hospital join hands with communication technology leader Opterna and first public sector company of Free India, the Indian Telephone Industry Limited, on how to better integrate information technology with medical expertise and make it a strong driver for rural healthcare services. From a 100-bed single specialty heart institute facility focusing on cardiac care in Nampalli, Hyderabad, the Care Institution is now a multi-specialty hospital chain comprising of 2,000 beds across 12 hospitals and the fourth largest healthcare provider in India. Preferred by national and international clinical researchers, more than 50 ongoing clinical trials make Care the nest for emerging medical science and frontline healthcare technology. Opterna is part of Nest, a global conglomerate of more than 25 technology companies spread across several continents, created by another great son of India, Dr. Jawad Hassan. Holder of 20 international patents, Dr. Hassan was the first colored vice president of IBM and head of the semiconductor development operations. He later led AMP Incorporated, world's largest electronic components and connector maker, to be a Fortune 100 firm with $1.5 billion turnover. Opterna's global customers include GE, Toshiba, Hitachi, ABB, Verizon, Honeywell, France Telecom and Etisalat, to mention a few. Ever since 1948, the Indian Telephone Industries Limited, or ITI, has contributed to 50% of the present national telecom network. Headed by Mr. K.L. Dhingra, a veteran of Indian public sector enterprise, ITI is diversifying into information and communication technology to hone its competitive edge in the convergence market by deploying its rich telecom expertise and vast infrastructure. The ITI has secured the mandate to manufacture 10 million tablet computers for students, industry and export. Together, the three organizations are developing IT Helper for rural doctors on a tablet computer platform. The technology consists of medical software, multi-parameter detector software, auxiliary diagnosis system and medical database. Once integrated with an indigenously developed tablet computer, coupled with external interfaces such as microphone, audio output, USB, laser barcode scanning, IC card reader and RFID module, it will provide an efficient, easy to use, multifunctional medical platform to rural medical workers and contribute to the reconstruction of primary healthcare system. A 1,000-mile journey begins with a small step, and today that step is being taken. The nation is looking at ITI to produce a rugged and efficient tablet computer connected to the cloud by Opterna and made into a clinical tool by the Care Foundation, Care Hospital. Come tomorrow, and the Indian 3 million medical practitioners, nurses and healthcare workers will have mobility and reliability at the point of care in 600,000 Indian villages. The question isn't who is going to let it happen, it's who is going to stop it.
ये ज़मीं मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहां ये ज़मीं मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहां मेरी जिंदगी